equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To start, gather your tools, a screwdriver, a plastic prying tool, and a clean cloth. First, power off your device. Remove the screws around the screen using the screwdriver. Keep them safe for reassembly. Next, gently insert the prying tool between the screen and the body. Carefully work your way around to detach the screen. Be cautious not to damage any internal components. Once the screen is off, take a moment to clean the internal area with a cloth. This ensures no dust or debris interferes with the new screen. Now, inspect the connectors for any damage. If everything looks good, connect the new screen. Secure it in place with the screws you removed earlier. Remember, for a hassle-free experience, consider our professional diagnosis without obligation. We offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you won't have to worry about no calls, no travel. Plus, you'll receive a quote before repair, ensuring transparency. Once everything is back together, power on your device to check the new screen. Enjoy your refreshed device. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.